What's going on, guys? Barber CVO here in the building. We are here at Bergen Harley, and we're checking out the tour pack just to make sure it's the right. Check it out. It's a nice place here. Got the Reinhardts. It's all about that. So it comes in a nice bubble wrap. To open it up to make sure that they always have to make sure that this is the right color.
Get close. One more layer. They really have to do it that way.
Alright, there it is. Getting closer to you guys and just make sure that everything's alright. Pop and crackle.
Oh yeah.
There you go. There you have it, Harley CVO. It's a nice tour pack. Yep.
Latch.
Yeah, we're gonna put those in. King tour pack. All the instructions, all that stuff inside. Is that like a mat?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a mat anyways for the inside. Yeah. There you go. It's nice. Looks sweet. Now, do you install these, or we gotta do it ourselves?
Well, you can pay the shop to do it. Yeah.
Oh, the shop. Okay. I'll have probably my mechanic to do it.
Not that difficult.
Yeah.
Everything's pre-drilled.
Yeah, I got you. Looks very nice. All right. All right, guys. There you have it. We're having a nice CVO tour pack. All right. Stay tuned. All right, so they're wrapping it up right now. I'm probably gonna hook it up probably this weekend. Check it out. Go for a ride, and we'll go from there. I just want to thank Bergen Harley for ordering this piece for me, and it's been great. I can't wait to put it on, match my CVO, and let me tell you, it was a pretty penny. I want to thank Mr. Simmons. He's the one who told me what to do and what to get it, and make sure that they had the CVO emblem right at the top when you order it. So, all right. So this weekend I'll put up the video and I'll put a picture of it as well. All right. Stay tuned. Talk to you soon. Let me know what you think about the video. We're doing a review on my new tour pack that I just received from Harley Davidson. It's the CVO tour pack, all nicely painted by the company itself, and we're checking it out to see how it is. I mean, this is a King tour pack, good size, very nice, matchly even with the whole entire bike, as you can see right there. And I also got the matching backrest for the hammock seat from Harley as well. Check it out. With the emblem from Harley Davidson CVO. Don't mind the inside. I just picked up some food. It's pretty big inside. Actually, it's a King tour pack. You can actually fit a nice 2 helmets in there. Like I said, don't mind. I just went to pick up some food. So, but very nice. Very nice. Super happy with it. Looking at it from all angles. As you can see, there it is, the tour pack. All right, guys, don't forget, May 8th, we'll be at the Bikes and Breakfast at JD Cycles in Nazareth, Pennsylvania. There you go. And also this Thursday, if you guys are around, in Perth Amboy, New Jersey, I'm going to be having a bike night for my club there. Everyone's welcome to come. And it's from 6 to 8 at the Moose Lounge in Perth Amboy. Check out my Instagram so you guys can check out the flyer. And yeah, hope you guys see you there. A lot of you guys are coming through, I already heard. So, all right, guys, we're gonna head home. Gonna get some dinner and eat some dinner, and we'll get back to you. All right, see you guys soon on Thursday at Bike Night in Perth Amboy, New Jersey at the Moose Lounge. Peace.